I think that until he started having recurrent injuries at Arsenal, he was ever present in our squad, and he had always given his best. So I think that he will be here on time. He will join the team on time. He will be with us for the trip to N'Djamena, and then he will be in contention for a place in the squad for the games against Chad, and then also will be in contention for selection for the game against Mali. So Ghanaians can be rest assured that we are in touch with him all as well. He looks fine. He looks okay. He's ready to play for the national. Well, the only thing I can tell you is that he will be here. He will be here on time. I don't want to go into certain details. I know we have done a lot of work, and he will join us on time for the trip to Chad.
Okay. And the Henry Asante Chum no de man dia. A Chesa Branton no, Yanni Chad no Bukubi. He will travel with the team and he will play.
Unse. So what's Henry? I was say there are details be or what?
On team Fanto.
It could be say the next court hearing, Ebia, it will not necessarily need the presence of Partey. Maybe the lawyers can go and handle it. So they be able to me about the ball. But Emir say court them I so say Partey be to ko be answer. You should inform them. No mu ne whereabouts as omu edi na seminintino. If we must trust Henry and common be our own team from a sure. But if he is saying say omu mu raise concerns about not just only Partey Bano, but will he come with absolute mind and Nibibia will be okay to perform for Ghana, because baby are doing a very crucial and we will need our players to be 100% to play for us. Henry Asante Chum say yes, and come out because Partey will come. Obeba Emre was so Oba, and he will be 100% ready to play for Yaya. Maybe I'm not really worried about playing, because Rich in some because I saw Obama Villarreal. Yes, and he's playing very, very well. And Bonnie, I don't have a problem with that. But say if the court issue ain't trying to name according to Henry there, then so be it.
Okay, how I basically approach a game no? Henry Asante Chum at the Kakra at the Akauna fee, Brem.
Our destiny is in our hands. We have 4 more matches to play, 2 to be played against Chad and Mali next month, and then the 2 games will wrap it up in October against the Republic and Comoros. We want to win all our matches. We do not want to find ourselves in a situation where we'll be doing any mathematics, hoping for one team to lose, and then we will draw, and then we'll win, and it's quite a complex situation. So we want to win.
Okay, and the area Asante Chum Kasama for the Ghana Football Association. I say mentality no is simple. Your game plan be beyond say a games na can possession. Ya fini ebe calculations and I will say we question we now we yempe situation no. The games na can fall na can no. Yen sheni na ya fini e mathematics be nya qualification come World Cup.
Which I think that's what you're supposed to do near share matches, but I don't just chinchini try and say game behind 3 points. We also have to be strategic going into matches in Akobon. So match be on my you just have to avoid defeat. Because maybe
Chad game is a yempe win.
No, Chad game is yes. When you come back home, and maybe a unko game in him to sell Kinchina or draw. But what game maybe 88 minutes 0-0. And you feel now could be say spokesperson yes. Ghana for Bessia who could be in both which now lose 1-0. Instead of gaining 1 point to augment all leadership in the table, no, what drop it with what lose 3 points. So that is something that I see very careful because which and also table no so at the top, comfortably on the top. But like Henry said, I got 4 more games to go. Osha ye match now can you 15 points, right? The list of the teams are also Comoros said they achieved 12, Madagascar 10, Mali 9, Central Africa. Even Comoros no they achieved 3 points. So it means that if we can qualify from now going, we can just choose to avoid defeat. Now win against Chad. Come and get the win if you get against Mali, fine. But game next stretch here. Prioritize getting something out of the game than changing it and going to win. When you have 6 points in the next 2 games are automatically you are almost there. You need 1 more to get into it. It's something that we are supposed to approach in the right direction and make sure CB win. Which Kakrebi on Thomas Partey. As Ghana for, he needs our support. And Nhyira make us he needs our support, you know. Minim Ochinasem. Multimedia Insure FM. Yen so bema or bo buy or bar like Sanya man. Assault, we don't any papa. Personally, I do not. But here in CSG2 said the natural justice is simple. Every human being there is always an element of not guilty or innocence until see a proof beyond reasonable doubt. Inti, I am happy say Partey alive air koso Obabe Nejuma as Black Stars deputy captain. Whilst we still go on with the court case, a draw, Nasampampa, Thomas Partey has been found guilty. I'm not sure so be best friend. But now you need our support as a nation, as Black Stars now. And I think say Abia Omo game ni be cry. But I'm sure that the FA and Black Stars knew that no, this is a time I see a chip at a bang, and also feel that we love him as a person.
That was the anger that come back because they say, Rich,
especially against Chad. No.
Rich, if Villarreal in Spain can consider what in legal terms a friend presumption of innocence.
Say
Yembu Biafra court to Munifa until the court to be Bunifani or ye innocent. Say Spain club in Ceramica can show Partey that extent of love and say, I am basing on presumption of innocence until you are proven guilty. To give you a chance to play football and go on with your life. Rich, then Ghana, we have no excuse not to give Partey that kind of support, any warm. Because no, I know free. You muja no. And see, me sure say any Ghanaian will raise even an issue. Say, hey, now they have to Partey. Munya sure say my friend wanna say to say, go on with the normal life. I'm also so do. Debbie, Partey, I charges me done so. But until the court mechanism so different. Or ye innocent say me no why ye can say. Rich, I think say for me there's no issue about that. Look, qualifiers enable Rich. We know what will qualify us, and we must play according to what will qualify us. There are some games, Rich, you don't necessarily need to win to qualify. You just have to qualify.
Say good, say bad. Just qualify.
You just have to qualify. That is what you need to do. Unim, 2 games here, baby boy. Rich, I think say OSHA standings now. The first thing we must do is to go and beat Chad. Young funny game after game. Oh, the young question Chad mra. See, so Chad we are. We shouldn't forget. Yeah, but Chad no. Mali bebo. Comoros bebo. Based on the results of Mbenyano. Rich, see about Chad game ni we are. When we are in that week of analyzing Ghana against Mali, we will do so. Am I myself to be carried already into the Mali game? No, that be. We need to beat Chad. Say Chad, Rich, there shouldn't be a difficult opponent. And no matter the situation, our analysis must be we need to beat them. And to the Yanko Shomura, you may prepare for Monday. Now, your preparation in say we are going to win against them there. 1-0, 0.5. The answer is 3 points in the future. Yeah, but we will have time and discuss what we must do. Results men never bought Ghana fortunes in qualifying for the World Cup against Mali.
Ati, Miss Samo, your estate house, ye ton our Brookroom estate. A estate house.